All right, Smack Point Man in the front yard. We are performing for you today the magic disappearing leaf trick. We are using the Poulan Pro tractor. And our new DJI Osmo OM4 gimbal. So bear with us bear with me. I've already done part of the yard. I did this part last week. The tractor broke. Had to replace one of the spindles, and I got to replace the other one, but I kind of fixed it. We got this part done. So what I do every year is I like to leave as much organic material as I can on the lawn. So I leave the leaves over the winter. I got lots of trees. I leave the leaves over the winter. A lot of people will say that's bad. I'm not saying it's the right thing to do, but it is what I do. So, it seems to be working. So in the early spring, I will come and I'll chop up all the leaves and all of these twigs and stuff. That's obviously I'm not going to run over the big giant stuff, but I like to leave as much organic material on the lawn as possible. Try to put my other glove on here. I am looking to upgrade my lawn equipment here in the next year or two. I like to upgrade to a yard tractor instead of just a lawn tractor. I got to get this thing started. The battery's dead, so we'll have to replace the battery here soon, but see if she starts up. Beautiful. Found the hole. Dead center. I thought I straddled it enough, but nope. Had to push the tractor out of the hole. We are almost done, as you can see. Not bad. So you might be wondering why I'm running all of this stuff over. This stuff's been out here. It's been out here for a while. That's a little bit hard. Some of the sweet gum stuff here is real soft. So mulch it up a little bit if I can, like this. Mulch it up a little bit if I can to get it so that it mulches into the soil. A lot of times I'll just leave the smaller stuff there, like these twigs, let the grass grow up around them. And they tend to mulch away and decompose away. And did we run out of fuel? Oh boy. We may have ran out of fuel. All right, ladies and gents, and there you have it, the disappearing leaf trick. The magical, amazing, wonderful disappearing leaf trick. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.